In this video, I will discuss abnormal morphologies of neutrophils. Neutrophils are main defense of the body against pyrogenic bacterial infections. Normal neutrophils are uniform in size with diameter of about 12 micrometer. They have segmented nucleus and when stained pink-orange cytoplasm with fine granulation. Majority of neutrophils have 3 nuclear lobes connected by chromatin strands. In women, 2 to 3% of neutrophils show an appendage at the terminal nuclear segment. This drumstick is about 1.5 micrometer in diameter. It represents the inactive X chromosome. Nuclear abnormalities of neutrophils. Hypersegmentation of the nucleus. It is right shift arrangement of neutrophils. Neutrophils with 5 or more nuclear segments is an important diagnostic feature of megaloblastic anemia. Hypersegmented neutrophils may also be seen in uremia, myelodysplastic syndrome and after cytotoxic treatment. Pelgaheved cells. The Pelgaheved anomaly is a benign condition in which neutrophils nuclei fail to segment properly. A similar acquired morphologic anomaly known as pseudo-Pelgah cells may be also seen in myelodysplastic syndromes and acute myeloid leukemia. Pyknotic neutrophils. Small number of dead or dying cells may normally be found in the blood, especially when there is an infection. They may also develop in normally blood in vitro after standing for 12 to 18 hours. These cells have round, dense nuclei and their cytoplasm tends to be dark pink. It is important not to confuse these cells with erythroblasts. Cytoplasmic abnormalities of neutrophils. Toxic granulation. Toxic granulation is the term used to describe an increase in staining densely of granules which occurs with bacterial infections and inflammation. Dark red-purple cytoplasmic granules can be seen. Hypogranulation. Here, specific granules are not visible and few of primary eosinophilic granules can be seen. It is associated with acute myeloid leukemia, chronic granulocytic leukemia and myelomonocytic leukemia. Agranulation. Agranulation neutrophils occur in the myelodysplastic syndromes and some forms of myeloid leukemia. Alderelli anomaly. In Alderelli anomaly, the granules are very large, discrete, stain deep red and may obscure the nucleus. These neutrophils function normally. Chediak-Higashi syndrome. In Chediak-Higashi syndrome, variable size large aggregate of purple, blue, red granules can be seen. There is a functional defect. It is associated with severe infections. Vacuoles. The presence of vacuolated neutrophils is usually indicative of severe sepsis. Toxic granulation is usually present. Vacuoles will develop as an artifact with prolonged standing of the blood before films are made. Doll bodies. They are small, round or oval, pale blue-gray structures usually found at the periphery of the neutrophils. They consist of ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. They are seen in bacterial infections. Meheglin anomaly. Meheglin anomaly appears as doll body-like inclusions. This is a benign condition. In this condition, the inclusions occur in all types of leukocytes except lymphocytes. Thank you.